The 2500W Handheld Steam Cleaner is an efficient tool that heats up rapidly in 10 to 15 seconds, providing powerful cleaning with its high-pressure steam. Featuring a 1.6-liter water tank, this steam cleaner offers up to 1 hour of continuous use, making it ideal for tackling tough grime without frequent refills. With its long 2.2-meter steam spray gun and 2.5-meter power cord, users can enjoy extended reach for cleaning hard-to-access areas in the home or car. The versatile 15-piece accessory kit enhances its functionality, allowing users to clean various surfaces including kitchen grease, car interiors, glass, and grout with ease. Designed with style and safety in mind, this steam cleaner is available in 3 color choices and includes safety gloves for added protection during use. Backed by professional team support, it has been meticulously tested for safety, and it comes with a customer-friendly return and replacement policy.